Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that is copying the text. There are two methods to copy the text. What is meant by copy the text? Copy the text means simply replacement of the text. Replacement of text by other text. In simple language, you can say this is called as a copying the text, replacement of text by other text or from one text to another text. So there are two methods to replace this text. First method, we'll use a clipboard. First, we will select the clipboard, then we will select home tab, then we will select copy command, then we will select paste command. And second method is shortcut key method, where we have to, if you want to copy the text, we'll use a Control-C combination keys and the Control-V for pasting the text. So let's start with the first method, that is selection of clipboard. When you want to make a replacement of the text, okay, so let's start once again. So here we have to copy the text. So what is meant by copy the text? Copy the text means replacement of the text. So there are two methods, as I told you. Method one, that is directly selection of clipboard, then selection of home tab, then use copy command and paste command. And second method, once again I repeat, second method, that is a shortcut key combination. If you want to copy the text, use the Control-C. If you want to paste the text, use the Control-V. Okay, so this is also a best method to copy the text. That is called as a replacement of text. Okay, so let's start with the first method, that is clipboard. So we have two names here. You can see one name is Vedant, one is a Prashant. Okay, so we have to replace these two names with another names. So first we will select using shift key, shift arrow keys, combination keys. Then we will select a home tab in the left corner. That is, you can see clipboard. Inside a clipboard, you will select a home tab. Simply click on the copy command so that text will be copied. And again, select another text or words that you want to replace. Now, just click on the paste and let's see the output. At both the place, here is a Vedant name. Again, the second name is also Vedant. So we have replaced the Prashant name with a Vedant name. So that is the output of our commands, copy and paste. Okay. First, it will copy the one name and replace with another name. That is called as a copying and pasting. That is called as a replacement of the text. A simple method, use the clipboard, home tab, copy, select the word, copy it, and then again, next line or any words you can select, replace the, you can see you have replaced the names. Again, press the Ctrl-Z combination key to undo all the last actions. Go in the second method. Okay, this was the first method. Second method is very simple. Just use the shortcut key combination. First, use the shift arrow key to select that particular word. Then use the Control-C. First, you have to press Control and then you have to press C. That is combination key. Control-C. Then again select where you want to replace the words. And again press Control-V. And here you can see you can replace the same word using a Control-C, that is copying the text, Control-V, that is the pasting the text. Thank you very much. This is the second method to replace the text or copying the text.